What's up guys, welcome back to another Gate.io tutorial. My name is Diogo, this is Everything Freedom, and today I'm basically going to give you a quick update on Gate.io. Recently I did a video on Gate.io on like how to deposit money, but they made some changes and now it's also possible to make fiat deposits. You can fund your account directly from your bank card. So I wanted to give you a quick little update on how you can do that. You just go into your account. If you haven't registered yet, you have a first link in the description, which is a nice bonus if you sign up through my referral link. And basically you go into buy crypto, credit card, and as you can see here, they partnered with some external providers to make this feature available on the exchange, so you can use your Visa card, etc. This makes it quite easier to deposit money into the exchange. Beforehand, you had to transfer your funds from another exchange, as I showed in the previous tutorial. You can still do that, but just for simplicity, you can now also do it directly from your bank account. You need to check the minimum for each individual provider. I can show you the Coinify, for example. If you go here, you select USD and the currency, I would recommend you to buy USDT so you can use it with other trading pairs. You can go here, you click purchase, and then you can see here that the minimum right now it's 67.78 US dollars, and you get around 64 USDT. So yeah, that's just an easier way for you to deposit your funds. I hope it was helpful. Remember, if you haven't signed up yet, I have a really cool bonus in the description for new members. And yeah, hope you have a great week and happy trades.